Hello, American River College colleagues. My name is Dionisio Asperis. I am an IA at the Culinary Department, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes, which is a garlic fried rice. Now, this recipe is something that my mom taught me when I was a kid, and it's something that I make for my kids, and every time I make it, everyone seems to love it. So let's look at our stove over here. We're at my house here. I'm actually frying up an egg to go along with my garlic fried rice, and I have my wok that is heating up. I'm going to add in some olive oil and vegetable oil kind of combined, and you're just going to let that heat for a few seconds. And you know when it's ready is when you see the oil kind of glistening on the surface of your pan. Now you can use a saute pan, you can use a wok, really any kind of flat bottom cooking vessel. And then we're going to add in the garlic, and this is just some minced garlic. And the key to this recipe is kind of letting the garlic toast just enough so that it's a light golden brown. What that does is it eliminates the raw garlic flavor and adds a very nice toasted garlic flavor to the dish. Now the funny thing is, as I said earlier, this was a recipe my mom taught me, and now I make this for my mom almost every single time I come down to San Francisco. Alright, so that was lightly toasted. Now you don't want to over toast the garlic because it can get a little bit bitter. And we've added in the rice. Now I'm using pre-cooked rice, so like day-old rice is fine. If it's cold, even better. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now you certainly can add a lot of different things to the rice. Sometimes I'll add in some vegetables like carrots and celery, a little bit of onion. To add a little greenery, I will simply add some baby spinach and just toss it in at the end. Now the seasonings with this are just salt and pepper, but you certainly could add a little bit of soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil. But usually I keep it very, very, very simple. And you'll understand why when you go make this recipe for yourself and you eat it. Alright, so all I'm looking for is the rice to get hot, get a little bit crispy. And when it's done, you're simply just going to take it, scoop it into your serving bowl. And here I have a fried egg, nice egg over easy, that I'm just going to slide on top. And here we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a midnight snack. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Try it. It's the simplest thing, but every time I make it, my family loves it.